Hello and welcome back to Initial Solution. In today's tutorial, I will show you how to fix Instagram photos, stories and video quality. So let's get start the video. At first open Instagram, then click on your profile picture in the bottom right corner. Then click on these three lines. Then click on settings. Select account from the menu. Then click on mobile data use. Make sure use less data is turned off. Using less data may affect your Instagram, so turn it off. Then you will be able to see photos and videos on high quality. So that's it. I hope this video helped you out. Stay tuned for more helpful tutorials here at Initial Solution. This video is sponsored by Girosoft. Girosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing and web development. Elevate your brand with Girosoft today. For more details, check the description box.